It felt better than usual. Yeah, especially this part
Mm-hmm.
was easier than because I'm kind of remembering how the chord should sound in that part.
For the dam ba da dam ba da da thing, it's a tiam ba da dam da da dam
Okay.
down. Now down. But the next down starts with those two
Right
30-second
away.
notes.
Yeah, yeah.
Much closer. Yeah. The down actually starts in the right hand with those two 30-second notes and then spills over into the left hand. Dum, da da dum, da da dum. It's like the two hands are trying to come down together, but they don't. Yes. And don't be afraid to wait a little fraction of a second longer before starting that da da da.
Okay.
Finish out the gesture. Now da da. Now finish out the gesture. Da, da, da.